vlogging this week, this camping trip, because I just feel like something might happen. So yeah, I woke up today in the middle of the worst depressive episode of my life. My boyfriend wants a break from me because my depression is too intense for him to handle and comfort right now. He was gonna go on this camping trip, but not anymore. I'm really delusional, thinking he hates me and stuff. Like, I know I shouldn't think that, but like, you know. This morning I took 20 milligrams of Prozac, which is less than normal, but it's because I took a lot 2 days ago, and my mom told me it could still be in my system or something. But earlier this morning I got this because this one's almost out. Well, not really, but it'll probably run out before the end of the camping trip, definitely. I don't know why. I just feel like these are things that should be logged. Just got out of bed. We're leaving soon. Pops and the boys already left, but I should probably pack my like second bag things. I'm not even gonna lie to you, packing is stressful. I haven't even left the house yet. Obviously, I'm not forgetting the art bag. It almost did, but whatever. And then I'm just gonna pack my last bag with like other shit. Oh my god, guys, like, guess what time it almost is? My hair is too long here. Like here, by the way, it took forever and we got stuck at a gate at the front of the campground and literally was so stressful. My dad was being so mean. But my tent is set up. This is the whole tent. I like really wanna go home. Sorry I didn't film the way here. Actually, I'm not sorry, I don't give a fuck. Good morning. I just woke up a few minutes ago. And hopefully we don't go do anything today. And at least chill. Because I don't want to do it. But I feel a little bit sad right now. It is the very beginning of the morning though, so biking right now, guys. I think I'm almost out of the campground, but I don't know how I did that. I just kind of started biking, so there's literally a freaking bike path. Okay, I'm like happy about that. So I'm just gonna keep going. Still biking down a random ass road. We're just in a neighborhood that looked exactly. Hey, look, a chicken. Do you hear them all? Oh my god. I see in this neighborhood, it looks exactly like fucking. Like, why does everywhere in Florida look exactly the freaking same? But I think when I get around this corner, I'm gonna be able to get back to the campground, which is lame. Bike ride literally boring as shit, but hey look. The black cat is approaching me. I know what I was saying about black cats crossing your path, but like, what if this one literally just freaking circled around me like twice? And then is sitting in the way where I'm trying to get out. Guys, do I have bad luck? I don't know, but look at that baby. He seems really nice. This lake is pissing me off. It's so small, and there's just freaking big ass freaking houses and stuff. It looks just so fun. I mean, I don't know about the other side, but Florida lakes. Oh. Hey guys, I made it back with nothing but my stupid intuition. But we're gonna take our stuff today. 30 milligrams of Prozac, this giant freaking dumb vitamin, and 3 ibuprofen because I hurt. I found a really nice spot in a tree, so it was weirdly a little bit hard to get up here, but since I lost weight, it's been a lot easier to like hoist myself around with just my arms. I can literally like maneuver up trees. So that's cool, I guess. And even further up the tree, I'm now on a random branch. It's very tall. See, this is the rest of the tree, but putting hammocks up. So we're biking through a beautiful forest. We're gonna go find an abandoned water park. I mean water slide, not a park. And go fishing. My bike is so loud and broken, but that's okay. So we made it to this like slightly abandoned looking water park thing. Yes, there are vultures literally freaking everywhere. There's a bunch of them just on the roof a minute ago, but it's like,
don't they congregate around like dead stuff?
yes, there's probably dead things in there. That's probably why they locked it up, and there's a water slide over there that I'm saying we should go into, but she says no.
It says keep out, Cheetah.
But I'll say, I knew I should have kept out, but I didn't want to. It didn't say no trespassing. It didn't say like no trespassing.
Are we sure?
Yeah. I left the group. We're flying solo now, guys. I feel slightly less in a depressive episode today. Like, oh, it was still kind of, but it feels like it's slightly wearing off. So I kind of lost hope. I think I underestimated this place's security. It's very tall and Barbie, and there's no trespassing signs. I chose a very unfortunate path to ride my bike on here. I'll give you guys a little ride. Biking back alone because left without me. They were at a park and I don't know why I kind of thought they were running away from me, but like, whatever guys. I literally went down the wrong trail. It was a cross-country trail. That's why it was so freaking bumpy. And then I took this trail all the way back to the park where I thought they were, but they weren't there, so. Now I'm going back again to the campsite. Fun! Just got done napping for like 3 hours to kill the rest of the day. It's almost bedtime. My phone's at 3%. But we got power in here tonight, baby. So you know what that means. We're it's gonna be great, guys. I tried to make it a little bit more homey. I put some yellow paper on that lamp and I colored this one orange. And I hung my Baja there because there's a little spy hole and I'm paranoid. Thank you, sirens in the background, so that's real cute. Oh man, this is gonna be great for fucking hotboxing. There's like no way to float in here. New car testing. I'm currently watching a little documentary about ketamine. My favorite part, I don't know why, I just like putting it in the place. Excuse me. So the flavor is pink lemonade. It tastes slightly more sour than the other one. Pink lemonade. Hey guys, good morning. Last night I put my Instagram note as I love you, and this morning for do you? Man, like that or enough of that. We're gonna wake and bake and some Red Bull. It's making me think maybe he doesn't love me. Because I don't know what I did that would maybe make him think I don't love him. I just am crazy, I guess. But guys, I'm improving, okay? Because I've been writing in my notes app like every day, multiple notes. Instead of actually doing dumb things, I just write them in there, I guess. Alright guys, I'm brushing my teeth and this is like the saddest squirrel I've seen in a while. In Florida, and he's like not seemingly scared of me. He keeps getting freaking closer, bro. Oh my god. Look at him. Look at him right there. I'm scared. So dumb that the guy made me put the tent away.
I know.
He's a fat egg.
Yeah, he is a fat egg.
Like when we were getting the ping pong paddles, he was also there and he was like, remember, you need your parents to get these, but we'll let it slide. Really?
Literally, what the fart?
Ugly.
Change my. He's gonna sit on my sandwich. I changed my outfit because we're going to the Keys, and I made a sandwich with
Say hi to the vlog.
Egg.
Let me
yeah, 1 second.
Hi.
Egg, Canadian bacon, cream cheese, and ketchup. That's lovely. We're at a random baseball field. Somewhere. Bro. This big back bird wants our fish food. Oh. Boo. Boo. Yeah, that's right. Bro, these things are huge.
They eat anything that's itchy.
They're literally ginormous.
Alright guys, slight break. We're at a restaurant. I'm in the back. You gotta be careful.
Picnic table mention. I like the abandoned building up there. Gimpy Gulch Road. Ugga mugga. Got back from our little adventure today, and this bracelet for Dan. I hope he likes them. I got them at the first place we went, Robbie's. I like the lights here. Sharky. Turtle. Oh man, I love him so much. Today was honestly a lot of a better day. I felt much more like less than a depressive episode. I was still very anxious, but you know, the symptoms are lessening, which is really good. And I feel like I handled this one kind of well for it being like literally the worst one ever. Crystal. Key lime meringue. Tastes like Lysol bites, and then a key lime pie. Bro, why is it not flipping? No more tent. I have to sleep in this little bunk now, but it's okay. I made it kind of cozy. Put up some curtains. Got my lamp. 3 cookies. And I think I can still, but I'm just gonna have to be careful. Because sibling. But we're not in bed yet. I'm just laying in here. They're all watching a movie out there. On a normal time today instead of a weirdly early. You know what that means, guys? The episode is over. To the Miami Zoo. The outfit. Zoo shirt.
My shirt.
Yeah. Starting a new drawing. Oh, beautiful. This was yesterday's drawing.
I'm gonna Tyler dance.
That's. Oh, they like kind of look like Crystal. He's so close to being free. There's so many otters. They're so cute.
Zach's going down the slide.
Wait, look at them all.
I wanna do that. I just wanna sit
They're
in there.
so cute. This one is so close. Oh my gosh. Literally. Aw, so cute. This one's cute though. Looks like a little old grandma. Hiding under the blanket. There's a camera over there, bro. It's huge. Our campground is probably over behind there somewhere. He's a little special. Yeah, Zach, we're in the quiet zone right now. Shut up. I like the peccary. Yeah, I did just see you fart on me, but I decided to ignore it. Oh, little monkey.
Well, you had 2 scoops of mine, you biggie.
Show your Dippin' Dots, guys. Yes, mint chocolate chip, brownie batter, banana split. That is cool. Making dinner.